It's like finding the lid when you have the pot, or finding the saucer when you have the cup and the tea. Just like how the internet was discovered when computers already existed, now we are entering a period where artificial intelligence is emerging while the internet is already here. Right now, we're experiencing exactly this process. It's a good timing, the right timing. Usually, these kinds of technologies are discovered abroad, and in fact, this is also an infrastructure subsystem of foreign origin, but typically these products will come to us from overseas. This time, however, we are trying to sell our product to the whole world, abroad, by adding a lot of added value on top of a system we've acquired from overseas. Basically, what we do is related to today's e-commerce, today's internet era. Everyone wants to open an e-commerce site. Everyone thinks they can make money from e-commerce. Yes, e-commerce is a great field. It has many avenues. You don't need to have a building. You might not even need an office. You can do it from your home, but your customer service needs to be available 24 hours a day, just like how anyone can access your website at any time they want, regardless of whether your business is doing well or not. Your customer service must also be available around the clock in the same way. Because in business, sometimes you have money, sometimes you don't. You might have to part ways with the team member you employ. When you hire a new team member, the training and onboarding process is very long and quite challenging. That's why to survive in the commercial market, we need a bit more data. This is where artificial intelligence comes into play. But in current models, AI generally has a problem with perception. For example, you say A and it understands A 9 times, but on the 10th time, it perceives it as B. And with these numbers and dates, there is a margin of error in information like credit card details, order tracking, and address tracking. Because there is a margin of error, you can't use this in the system. So you could use it as a toy or to play a prank on a friend, but if you want to use it commercially, you need to put some restrictions in place. As Assistpro, our solution in this situation is as follows. When a customer calls your company, which we actually integrate with this AI using your company number, when a customer calls your company within 1 second, and we've tried this many times before, we couldn't get it below 10 seconds. Now in just 1 second, so when the AI answers the phone, you can ask, may I have your name? Instead of just saying welcome, it says, hello, Mr. Özgür, welcome. It's an AI system that responds with, how can I help you? And has access to all your order information, data, and every detail about you. This is highly advantageous in terms of cost. And when it comes to personnel, if an employee leaves, you don't need to retrain someone new. A system that used to work only until 6 in the evening can now operate 24 hours a day, is multilingual mobile.